Seedance 1.5 Pro is here, and it is mind-blowingly good. First, take a look at what I created with it, and then I'll show you exactly how I did it.
You've got some nerve coming back here.
What can I say? I missed you deeply.
You are also going to regret this day deeply.
You only get one shot, and you better make it count.
Crazy, right? I mean, just a few years ago, creating something like this was only possible for professionals, and you had to spend a fortune. But now, with advanced AI tools, you can truly unleash your creativity. Trust me, guys, this is the perfect time to start your AI content creation journey. For this video, I generated all the images using Nano Banana Pro, and for the video itself, I used Seedance 1.5 Pro. The result is right in front of you. ByteDance recently dropped Seedance 1.5 Pro, and it can generate videos with very natural sounding audio. In my opinion, it's even better than VO 3.1, which is a really big deal. And in today's video, I'll show you how I created these clips using Seedance 1.5 Pro. So without waiting any longer, let's get straight into the video. Alright, the tool I use to generate videos with Seedance is called JXP AI. This is by far the cheapest platform you can use to generate videos with Seedance 1.5 Pro, and they also offer some free generations, which is awesome. Now to get started, simply click on the link in the description and sign up using your email ID. After that, you'll see this interface. From here, click on this option, and it will take you to this page. With Seedance 1.5 Pro, you can generate both text to video and image to video content. So let's give it a prompt. I'll paste this prompt here. Next, you can choose the aspect ratio from this section. For the resolution, it only supports up to 720p, which is kind of a bummer. For the video duration, you can go up to 10 seconds. I'll go with 5 seconds. If you want audio in the video, you need to turn this option on. And if you want the camera to be fixed, you can enable this option as well. I've turned it off because I don't want a fixed camera for this shot. Then simply click on Generate Video, and here is the output. This looks unreal. The cheetah's movement feels completely natural. The speed, the stride, the way its body flows while the head stays steady. It honestly looks like real wildlife footage, not AI. What really surprised me is the sound. It's perfectly in sync with the motion and the environment, not just random audio layered on top. Everything feels alive and immersive. Seedance didn't just make a video, it delivered a full experience. That's a big step forward for AI video. And now let me show you how I generated the clips for the video I showed you at the beginning. First, switch to image to video from here and upload your image. I've uploaded this image. By the way, all these images are generated using Nano Banana Pro, which you can also access from here. I've also made a detailed video on how to create a multi-scene sequence using just one prompt in Banana Pro, so you can check that out if you want. As you can see here, you can also create first frame and last frame videos, which I'll show you in a bit. Now for the first scene, I wanted a simple zoom in shot, so I gave a very basic prompt like this. Nothing fancy at all. Also, for this first scene, I didn't want any audio, so I turned it off. Then I clicked on generate, and this is what it created. This is awesome and exactly what I wanted. Nothing special, no heavy movements. The characters are standing still, looking at each other, and Seedance delivered perfectly. And remember guys, sometimes simplicity wins, so there's no need to go crazy with every single scene. Now let's create the clip for the next scene. I uploaded this image, and for the prompt, I use this one. As you can see, I mentioned what I want the character to say inside quotation marks, so make sure you do that as well. For this scene, I wanted audio and a fixed camera, so I turned both options on and then hit generate. And this is what it created.
You've got some nerve coming back here.
It looks awesome. This works because it feels like a real performance. The lip sync is spot on, the expressions match the voice, and the character's attitude comes through naturally. The voice fits perfectly, everything stays consistent, and there are no glitches. Turning a single image into a talking, expressive character like this is seriously impressive. Now, this is the image and prompt I used for the next scene. Again, as you can see, I kept the prompt very simple, and this is the output.
What can I say? I missed you deeply.
Amazing, right? More than just the lip sync, it really captured the sarcastic tone of the scene and executed it accordingly. I know it's not perfect, but it's way better than Kling or VO, and I've tested them all. This is by far the best right now. It feels very natural. For this scene, I used the first and last frame option. Here's what I did. I uploaded the first and last frame images, gave it a prompt to create a smooth transition, chose the settings according to my preference, and then hit generate. This is what it created. Pretty awesome, right? It's very smooth with no distortion at all. I could have done this with a single image as well, but it wouldn't be as perfect as using the first and last frame option. You should definitely try it. It's really impressive. So this is basically how I created all the clips for the video. After that, I edited everything in CapCut, added background music, and that was pretty much it. So there you have it, folks. This is how you can take advantage of Seedance 1.5 Pro on JXP AI and create amazing content. They do offer some free credits, so you can generate a few videos for free. If you want more, you can consider purchasing a plan. And as you can see, the pricing is very reasonable. The link will be in the description.